Today I'm going to show you how you can automatically link records by view ID in Airtable using miniExtensions. So the idea here is that we have this table with a bunch of records in it that are separated out by to do, in progress, and done. And we've created views to filter for each of those. And what we want to do is we want to grab the records that are in each of these views and link them to these records here in a separate table. So all of the ones that are in the to-do view would go and be linked to this record. All of the ones from in progress would be linked to this one, and all the ones from done would be linked to this one. So in order to do this, you can use this extension by miniExtensions, auto link Airtable records by view ID. I've got this set up already, and I'll show you how to set it up yourself in just a moment. But first of all, let's see it in action. So I'm just going to run this extension. And if I go back to Airtable, in just a couple of seconds, this should populate. Okay, there we go. So now we have all the records from the to-do view, which had these three. We've got all of them here now, and the same for in progress and for done. And obviously, yeah, this is just one example. You can use whatever filter you like for it, for the views. So this feature is actually very, very powerful because there's a lot of flexibility in how you can use it. So let me show you how to set this up. You just go to create a new extension, and then you either just type link, and then you'll see it already, or you can scroll to the bottom, and in the all extensions section, you'll find this extension here, auto link Airtable records by view ID. Just click here, and then you select your target table, so the table that we want to write to, where we want to link the records from the other views. And then you hit create extension. And now the table is already selected. You just select the field that contains your view ID and the field that is going to contain the linked records. And that's it. And then you just hit run. Optionally, you can set a view to filter the target records as well, but that's not required at all. Let me explain you as well how you can get the view ID. So this view ID field would have the ID of the views that we want to pull the records from. And to get to that, you just open the corresponding view, and then in the URL that you see in your browser, the view ID is what starts with VI. So this section here in this example, and then you just copy and paste it into the view ID field that you've selected for your extension, and that's it. So if you have any questions about any of this, if you need any help in setting this up, feel free to reach out to us through the chat in the bottom right corner or through any other means, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.